share. Cost of clothing is up. Club subscriptions. Cab fare, everything. Overdrawn at the bank, and I need your advice.
On how to increase your personal income?
Yes, that is the immediate concern. We've always agreed the children would inherit from their mother, of course, but that was assuming that I would know
Frankenstein
the
lab.
mother or dead myself. We never envisaged.
Right. Thank you.
My only tangible asset is a lease of this house, but of course that brings in no money at all.
Right. Is this goat smoke?
I don't know.
Well, what about your writing? You had a considerable success.
But it is of dead politicians. There's no money for that, and you know it. I continue writing because I enjoy it. It's no solution to my problem. If I turn to hack political journalism, you're suggesting that,
No, I quite appreciate your distaste for that sort of
It
thing.
actually
But
jumps
there
through
are
the
some
glass.
reasonable outlets, and in your position,
you are saying beggars can't be choosers. Quite frankly, if I